As the sun sets below the horizon, our outdoor spaces transform into a canvas of shadows and darkness. But what if you could turn your architectural features, garden, or walkway into captivating, well-lit scenes, even after sunset? This is where landscape backlighting comes into play. In this video, we'll delve into the realm of landscape backlighting, exploring its definition, importance, advantages, disadvantages, best practices, and real-life design inspirations. Landscape backlighting, also known as landscape silhouette lighting, is the strategic placement of lights behind objects or features in the landscape to create a striking visual effect. The concealed light source emphasizes the object's silhouette and casts a lovely, gentle glow around it. This method is commonly used for highlighting trees, sculptures, water features, and architectural elements, elevating the overall aesthetics of the outdoor space. Landscape backlighting is more than just a decorative choice. It serves several crucial aspects that contribute to the overall aesthetic and functionality of natural settings. One of the primary reasons people opt for landscape backlighting is the stunning visual impact it brings. By cleverly placing lights behind elements like trees, plants, or architectural features, you can create a captivating ambience that will make a lasting impact. Outdoor backlighting allows you to accentuate specific elements within your outside environment. Whether it's a beautiful sculpture, a unique tree, or an architectural detail, backlighting can turn them into focal points that draw attention and admiration. Exterior spaces can be used long after sunset if they are well lit. Landscape backlighting allows you to enjoy your garden, patio, or outdoor seating area well into the evening, enhancing your overall quality of life. Illuminated pathways, staircases, and potential hazards can significantly improve safety in your outdoor area. Additionally, well-placed landscape backlighting can deter intruders by eliminating dark hiding spots. A well-executed landscape backlighting design can substantially increase the visual appeal and overall value of the property. It's a worthwhile investment, whether you intend to use your outdoor space or sell your property in the future. Before beginning a landscape backlighting project, it's essential to consider its advantages and disadvantages. The main benefit is that you can enjoy your outdoor spaces long after the sun sets, whether it's for relaxation, entertaining guests, or stargazing. Well-designed landscape backlighting can significantly increase the attractiveness and value of your property. Landscape backlighting adds depth and drama to outdoor spaces, creating visually stunning environments. Adjust the lighting to get the desired atmosphere and ambience for various events and seasons. Proper lighting enhances safety by illuminating paths and potential hazards, making your outdoor area safer. As disadvantages, high-quality landscape lighting fixtures and installation can be expensive, and ongoing energy costs may pile up. Depending on the complexity of your project, installation may require professional assistance, which can increase costs. Improperly designed landscape lighting can contribute to light pollution, negatively impacting the environment and disrupting natural habitats. Regular maintenance is required to keep your lighting system in optimal condition, including cleaning fixtures and replacing bulbs. To achieve a successful landscape backlighting project, follow these best practices. Define your project's goals clearly. Are you aiming for enhanced aesthetics, improved safety, or extended usability? Knowing your objectives will guide your design choices. Survey your outdoor space to identify the existing features, structures, and vegetation you want to illuminate. Consider how the landscape changes with the seasons. Create a comprehensive lighting plan that specifies the placement of fixtures, the type of lights to use, and the desired lighting effects. A well-thought-out plan will save you time and resources. Balancing your budget with your vision is crucial. Establish a budget that includes the cost of fixtures, wiring, installation, and ongoing maintenance. Opt for energy-efficient LED lights to reduce long-term operating costs and minimize your environmental footprint. LEDs are not only eco-friendly but also provide excellent color rendering. Whenever feasible, hide light fixtures behind objects or within vegetation to create a more natural and enchanting look. The fixtures should be unobtrusive during the day. Play with lighting angles to create unique shadow patterns and effects. Experimentation will help you achieve the desired mood and ambience. Strive for balance in your lighting design. A well-balanced approach will create contrast, draw attention to focal points, and make your outside space seem warmer. Before finalizing your lighting setup, Test it at night to ensure you achieve the intended effects. Adjust fixtures as needed to achieve your desired results. Let's look at some real-life designs to get ideas for your landscape backlighting project. Create a captivating night scene by backlighting trees in your garden. The interplay of light and shadows on the tree trunks and foliage will add depth and intrigue to your landscape. Backlight architectural elements such as columns, arches, or facades with discreetly placed fixtures. This approach lends a stately and sophisticated look to your outdoor space. If you have sculptures or art installations in your outdoor space, silhouette lighting is an excellent choice to make them the focal point of your landscape, even at night. Guide the way with path lights that enhance safety and add elegance to your garden pathways. These fixtures combine practicality and aesthetics. Backlighting water features, like fountains or ponds, can produce stunning visual effects. The reflection of light on the water's surface creates a mesmerizing ambience. Recreate the serene ambience of a moonlit night by using soft, diffused backlighting throughout your garden. This gentle, natural glow adds a touch of romance to your outdoor evenings. Landscape backlighting is a versatile and powerful technique that can elevate the beauty and functionality of your outdoor spaces. By understanding its definition, importance, advantages, and disadvantages, and following best practices, you can create stunning backlit landscapes that leave a lasting impression. With inspiration from real-life designs, you have the tools and knowledge to embark on your own landscape backlighting project. Illuminate your outdoor world and transform it into a captivating and enchanting space that can be enjoyed day and night. Whether you're enhancing your home's visual appeal or creating a tranquil retreat in your garden, landscape backlighting offers endless possibilities for artistic expression and functional improvement.